Installing a wire nut to join two stranded conductors. Verify that the wires being joined are not connected to a power source before attempting to install a wire nut. Wires should be stripped in an amount that minimizes exposed wire outside the device terminal. Hold the wires parallel to one another and verify the ends of the wires are even. A bad connection can form if the wires are uneven. Lightly twist the strands to orient them in the same direction. And then install the wire nut over the ends of both wires and turn in a clockwise direction to secure. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.